Watch number 163, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Fulton, Knox, Marshall, Mason, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ71 in Peoria.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located from Rockford to Chana, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, Rochelle, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Byron, Oregon, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Durand, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, and Timberlane. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 100 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 75 and 77. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 23. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, and Rockford Speedway. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north-central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north-central Illinois. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 55 Dixon. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Ogle, Lee, Carroll, Bureau, Whiteside counties in Illinois, and Clinton County, Iowa. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 5:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Anderson County and central Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Palestine, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palestine and Elkhart. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KWN 34, serving the Palestine listening area. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Biscayne Bay, coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. At 10:09 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from near Soldier Key to Triumph Reef, moving west at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Soldier Key, Convoy Point, Turkey Point, Key Biscayne, Biscayne Bay, Elliott Key, Pacific Reef, Triumph Reef, Black Point, Coral Gables, and Cape Florida. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. This is the voice of the National Weather Service, NOAA Weather Radio, station KHP 34, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz, serving southeast Florida, and originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office, located on the main campus of Florida International University. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles northwest of New Buffalo to 7 nautical miles west of Michigan City, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo, Michigan City, and St. Joseph. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.